They say that Nustar happened to be one of Cebu's very ambitious projects, so stay tuned for you to see more of Nustar. Nustar Resort and Casino is the newest and one of Cebu's most luxurious hotels, with a 5-star premier hotel called Philly Hotel and the extraordinary Nustar Hotel. During our stay, we checked in at Philly Hotel, so let me give you a tour in our room. Room category, Deluxe Sea-View Twin. I was really impressed by the room interior, especially the view, which gave me a really good mood. From the bed up to the bathroom, the location gave me a perfect sunshine which definitely lightened up my mood. Your toilet has a state-of-the-art warmer and bidet that you can use in a push of a button. In addition to that top-of-the-line amenities, Philly Hotel also managed to save Mother Earth with a refillable body wash, shampoo, and conditioner bottles. And the highlight of the room, the strategically installed bathtub. And your bath will not be complete without these bath essentials by Nustar. Thanks for these lovely gifts, Nustar. And shout out to the Caballo sisters for this experience. And speaking of experience, let me show you the holiday celebration of Nustar, which was a celestial journey. The celebration was filled with symbolic recognition of Cebuano's success in different fields of business, entertainment, sports, and goodwill.
With the fifth star of Christmas, our celestial journey begins with the new star illuminating our path with its brilliance and vision.
After that sparkling holiday tree lighting, we then have a sumptuous dinner at Axis, which is a diner and bar inside the casino. You can also bet virtual sports here, like the NBA Finals, Greyhound Race, and more. One of their drinks that I like is the Carnival. The drink has a sweet taste, which I am a big fan of it. Not being biased, but food here at Axis is really good, just like the pizza and burger. Morning mornings are better when you see this wonderful sunrise and a very refreshing bath. On top of that refreshing morning is a very appetizing breakfast at Philly Cafe. Hi guys, so it's our second day here at Philly Hotel, having breakfast here at Philly Cafe at the fourth floor of the hotel. Busy kaayo. She's so busy doing her content. So for now, I'm having these. So please stick around so that you'll see more of this Nustar experience. You can also dine here for lunch and dinner even if you are not a check-in guest. Just check the description box below for more details. You can also check the Facebook page and website of Food Trail with Bayi for a detailed information about our food trip. The breakfast was served with international dishes and it will have a different variety every day, so I can't really pinpoint on which of these you should try. After that breakfast, I think it's time for us to chill at the poolside. Or maybe lose that excess calories by working out at their first-class fitness gym. Their gym has a spectacular panoramic view of the sea, so you can be more motivated to get fit. Aside from the things that I showed you, let me also give you a little tour on one of Nustar's most expensive rooms. This is the pool villa. As the category says it, this villa has a pool, its own fitness gym, a private office, 2 full baths and showers, its own sauna, expansive walk-in closets, and 3 bedrooms with unique theme. Can you guess the rate of this room? And since this tour would take me more than 5 minutes, I will tell you the rate of this villa on my next vlog. So don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon for you to be notified once the vlog is uploaded. In addition, please also follow me on my socials at JC Echo for updates on this luxurious hotel as it is projected to be completed by 2025. Or just search hashtag #BETNewstar. Nustar, it definitely is an island of possibilities. By that, shoppers can enjoy luxurious retail therapy as the hotel will be opening more luxurious boutiques like Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga, Christian Dior, Burberry, Bulgari, and more. They also have premier cinemas where you can enjoy box office movies. And after watching a movie, also try their restaurants. I recommend Koshima by Nonki, which serves top-of-the-line Japanese food like the Wagyu steak. Or the Filipino favorite, which is Cafe Laguna. You should try this black calamari. It's 2 thumbs up for me. I have a reel on these food experience on my Instagram and Facebook, so let's continue chatting there. So that's it guys for a quick tour here at Nustar. For you to see more of my food trip, travel, and lifestyle, please don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe. Again, this is JC. Happy holidays! have Mrs. Drilon here with me. Mrs. Drilon, what do you love about Cebu?
The food, the people, the products, everything, the place.
Okay, so that's why, guys, you have to visit here in Cebu, and of course, stay here at Nustar.
Yeah, of course, this is going to be the best mall in the Philippines, without a doubt.